If you think baby crochet projects take weeks to finish, you've been lied to, because some of the cutest baby items you can make take less time than a single movie, use barely any yarn, and people will literally beg you to make more. Most people picture huge blankets and complicated patterns when they hear baby crochet. Hours and hours of counting stitches, sore hands, half-finished projects sitting in a basket for months. That's why a lot of beginners quit before they even start. But here's the truth. Baby crochet is actually one of the fastest, most fun things you can make. The pieces are tiny, the yarn is soft and easy to work with, and every finished item looks like something straight out of a store. So if you've got one hook, a ball of soft yarn, and about an afternoon, you can walk away with a full set of handmade baby gifts that look expensive and feel personal. The problem most people face is simple. They don't know what to make. They search baby crochet ideas and get hit with giant blankets or super complex outfits with 50 steps. It feels overwhelming, so they close the tab and tell themselves they'll try another day. Let's fix that. Think small, think quick, think finish today, not next month. Start with the easiest win possible, baby booties. Baby booties are almost magical. They're tiny, they use almost no yarn, and they work up so fast it feels like cheating. You can finish one in 20 or 30 minutes once you get the hang of it. And when you hold them in your hand, they're so small it's hard not to smile. The best part is you only need basic stitches, chains, single crochet, maybe a little half double crochet. No crazy shaping. It's basically a small bowl you flip upside down. But here's where you can get creative. Add little ears for a bear hat, or long floppy ears for a bunny. Add a pom-pom on top. Use stripes. Use soft rainbow colors. Suddenly, you're not just making a hat, you're making something that looks like it came from a baby photo shoot. And parents love these because babies actually wear them. They're practical, not just decorative. Now imagine this. You've got a pair of booties and a matching hat in the same color. Already, you've got a mini set, and you barely spent a day making it. But we're not done. Let's talk about baby blankets, because yeah, they sound big and scary, but they don't have to be. The mistake people make is choosing huge, complicated patterns. Don't. Go small and simple. A stroller blanket or a receiving blanket is much smaller than a crib blanket. That means less yarn and way less time. Use a basic stitch like half double crochet or a simple granny square, something you can do while watching TV without even thinking. You don't need fancy stitches. The yarn does the work. Pick something soft and squishy like baby acrylic or cotton blends. The texture alone makes it feel special. And here's a trick. Thick yarn equals faster blanket. If you use bulky yarn and a bigger hook, the rows fly by. What looks like a big project suddenly takes just a couple evenings. There's something really satisfying about folding up a finished baby blanket. It feels like you made something meaningful, not just cute. But if you want really fast, almost instant projects, there's a secret category most people forget about: accessories. Things like baby mittens, bibs, headbands, and pacifier clips. These are tiny, like blink and you're done tiny. Baby mittens are great because they stop babies from scratching their faces, and they're basically just small tubes with a cuff. Super simple, perfect for beginners. Crochet bibs are another great idea. Use cotton yarn so they're washable. Make a simple triangle or round shape, add a button or tie, and you've got something parents will actually use every day. Headbands are probably the fastest thing you'll ever crochet. A small strip, a cute flower or bow sewn on top, done in 15 minutes. Make 5 in different colors and it looks like a whole collection. And here's the cool part. When you combine all these small projects, they add up fast. One weekend, you can make 2 hats, 2 pairs of booties, a blanket, and a couple headbands. That's basically an entire gift basket. Instead of giving one thing, you're giving a handmade set, and that feels way more special. Now let's talk about stuffed toys, because this is where things get really fun. Little crochet animals, also called amigurumi, are perfect for babies. Small bears, bunnies, elephants, ducks. They look complicated, but most of them are just simple shapes sewn together. A ball for the head, a smaller ball for the body, tiny tubes for arms and legs. Once you learn the basic pattern, you can make almost any animal just by changing colors and ears. Use soft yarn and embroider the eyes instead of plastic ones so it's safe for babies. Suddenly, you've got a handmade toy that feels personal, like something that will be kept for years. These toys become keepsakes, not just gifts. And that's really the big moment most people realize something. Baby crochet isn't about making perfect, fancy pieces. It's about small, soft things made with care. Parents don't look at your stitches and judge you. They see the time you spent. They see that you made something just for their baby. That's what matters. So instead of overthinking every project, just start. Make one hat tonight, one pair of booties tomorrow, a tiny toy the next day. Before you know it, your basket is full of finished pieces instead of half-done ones. And every time you finish something, you get that little rush like, wait, I made this? That feeling never gets old. So if you've been waiting for the perfect big project, forget that. Start small, start quick, stack easy wins. That's how you actually build skill and confidence. And honestly, baby crochet is the most forgiving place to learn because everything is tiny and fast. You mess up, you only lost 20 minutes, not 2 weeks. You try again, you get better, and suddenly you're the person everyone asks for handmade baby gifts. So grab your hook, pick the softest yarn you can find, and start with the smallest thing on the list. Watch the next video for even more quick crochet ideas.